We're here with Sam Neer, president of Morton Manufacturing. The company moved here 3 years ago with 190 employees, and they now have 220. And Sam tells me they have a new product line coming on.
We do. Let's go see it.
What do you guys make and what do they go into?
Primarily it's engine bolts. Primarily they run into turbine engines for Boeing, for Airbus, for our customers directly, GE, Pratt Whitney, Rolls-Royce. A lot of the hardware that we produce go directly into their engines. And it's something that it requires a lot of certification, a lot of training, a lot of understanding. We had about a 50,000 square foot facility in Santa Clarita. The growth that we've experienced over the many years, it just got to the point where it was just too small.
So how many square feet?
Our new facility is about 100,000 square feet, so we've doubled the size of the facility. Excluding the building, we've added about $7 million worth of capital in the last 3 years. We continue to invest in other programs where you'll see some new major pieces of equipment that are going in as we speak.
We have bar that comes in usually about 12-foot lengths, and then we have what we call coils. It's in a softened state and allows it to be formed much easier. The coils are pulled out of the raw material warehouse and they're put onto a rack. In the machine it gets cut off.
Got it.
It gets cut off in sections.
So it actually squishes it and expands it?
Exactly.
Amazing.
Exactly.
Then it goes to the second blow, which ends up doing the 12-point configuration and expander.
This is the same process that takes place on the cold header.
Okay.
But we call it hot heading.
Okay.
Because we're moving a lot more material. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat this head up and we're going to blow it up into something that couldn't be done on a cold header. It has to come through pointing operation.
Okay.
Pointing basically takes the end of the part and puts a point on it to where the end dimension is then set. Now we're into machining.
Machining.
So if the head requires a certain diameter, a certain machining characteristic that we couldn't produce on the cold head or the hot head, we run it through the machining center. This is the 1/4 inch third cell. So now we're grinding. We're grinding. We have a part that's been pointed, cold headed, and it's been heat treated, and it's been cleaned. You can see the dull surface on it.
So what's she doing?
She'll load a part into the conveyor. It'll look like that. And when it comes out of the grinder, it'll look like that. This one's actually got a step in it.
Yes.
This is where it originally started. Morton grinding started with one machine, and as you can see, we've got about 40 different grinding machines where we actually take the part, make the outside diameter, the TD of the part. This process controls a lot of the characteristics of the thread.
So this is not the final, it still goes to threading.
Oh, it still goes to threading. Threading is the last process.
What's it been like working with the city of Lancaster?
Just been a great relationship to date. We're very pleased with the location, and there's a lot of growth opportunity up here for the aerospace world in the Antelope Valley.